Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you unboxing of this very fancy, very good and amazing Apple wallet. This one is MagSafe leather wallet for iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. Black cover, so we can use this leather for any kind of cards like Visa card or MasterCard. It can up until 3 of them, and you can travel to any destination. No need to have a special pocket and special wallet to bring these cards, which is very nice. Also, this wallet have a special function. If you drop this wallet or if you forget this wallet on some place, you can find it where searching to of your iPhone. But let's start to open this Apple product. It looks very nice. All right, so let's try to open it. Yep. So what we have inside: traditional, a lot of manuals, good fancy box, and here is the wallet itself with Apple logo on the top. It's a black cover, and here is example of your credit cards. So it's very nice and very easy to use. Nice, I like it. If you like this video, press the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.